In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to Sony ZV-1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a ZV-1 or any other camera model from Sony, connecting a microphone is extremely simple. All that you have to do to connect your microphone is to establish a proper physical connection between the microphone and the camera. Doing this will make it so the camera automatically picks up the microphone and all of the audio that it is capturing. So, to connect an external microphone to a Sony ZV-1, use the microphone jack. So it is going to be located here on the side of the camera, right above these two USB ports. All that you have to do is establish a physical connection like I mentioned. So plug the cable originating from the microphone into the 3.5mm stereo mini plug of the camera. It's as simple as plugging it here and you will be good to go. So this is an example of a microphone that works with this camera, but of course you can use any other model as long as you can establish the connection by using the 3.5mm plug and you plug it into the jack of the camera, you will be good to go. There's no secret to this. The camera will automatically switch the input from the built-in microphone to the external microphone, and you can configure it using these settings, the buttons, and the actual screen. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to fine-tune your microphone. I simply wanted to talk about the connection, and it is easy to do. And as long as you plug it here, it will automatically be detected and use a new microphone. If your microphone is not working, then make sure that the connection was established properly, check compatibility, and if it still doesn't work, try a different one. If you have a microphone that doesn't originally have a 3.5mm connection, then you might have to use an adapter, for example, USB to 3.5mm. As long as you establish the connection through this port, it is going to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect microphone to Sony ZV-1. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.